In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage junk emails using Microsoft Outlook. Dealing with unwanted emails can be quite annoying, but with the right steps, you can efficiently organize your inbox and improve your email experience. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Microsoft Outlook application. Once you have it open, you'll probably see several folders on the left-hand side, such as your inbox, sent items, and drafts. One of the folders that is highlighted here is your junk folder. This is where unwanted spam emails often end up. But today, we're focusing on how to manage these more effectively by adjusting your junk email settings. Next, look for the junk option in the toolbar. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. One important option here is Junk Email Options. Click on this option to open a new window that provides several configurable settings for handling your junk mail. In this window, you'll notice a few tabs. These tabs allow you to customize the level of junk email protection to suit your preferences. For example, one option is the Safe Lists Only feature. If you select this, you will only receive emails from people or domains that you've added to your safe list, ensuring maximum control over what hits your inbox. If you're not ready to go that far, you might just want to adjust the settings under the Block Senders tab. Here you can manually input the email addresses that have been harassing your inbox. Enter those pesky email addresses that you want to block. Once you have added those emails to your block list, Outlook will automatically filter them out, preventing them from cluttering your inbox. After you've adjusted the settings to your liking, don't forget to apply these changes by clicking OK or Apply at the bottom of the window. This will make sure that your new settings are active and ready to help you manage your incoming mail better. And there you have it. This simple yet powerful process will enable you to take control of your Microsoft Outlook experience by effectively managing and minimizing unwanted junk emails. Just remember to periodically review and update your junk mail settings and blocked senders list to keep your email running smoothly and efficiently. With your newly configured Outlook settings, your email environment is bound to become a lot more organized, leaving you more time to focus on the messages that truly matter. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you maintain a cleaner, more efficient inbox. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.